If your LD player is stuck at 50% loading and not moving forward, don't worry. This is a common issue caused by virtualization problems, corrupted files, or background conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LD player stuck at 50% loading step by step in 2026. First, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary system errors that often stop LD player from loading properly. Next, run LD player as an administrator. Right-click the app and select ***, run as administrator ***, so it has full permission to start correctly. Now check if virtualization is enabled on your system. Open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and ensure CPU virtualization is turned on. If it's disabled, enable VT from BIOS settings. If the problem continues, disable Hyper-V on Windows. Go to turn Windows features on or off, and uncheck Hyper-V ***, Windows Hypervisor Platform ***, and Virtual Machine Platform ***, then restart your PC. Next, close all background programs using Task Manager. Heavy applications like browsers, games, or antivirus tools can interfere with LD player loading. Now clear LD player cache files. Go to the LD player installation folder and remove temporary data that may be corrupted, then restart the emulator. If it still gets stuck, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Outdated drivers can prevent proper emulator initialization. You should also try switching the graphics mode between OpenGL and DirectX in LD player settings before launching again. If nothing works, uninstall LD player completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website to reset all broken files. Finally, restart your PC after reinstalling to ensure all changes are applied properly. And that's how to fix LD player stuck at 50% loading. Yeah, in most cases, enabling virtualization, disabling Hyper-V, or reinstalling the emulator will solve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.